अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम देखेंगे मैस स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर। इसका हम फंक्शन देखेंगे और इसका जो है वो हम सारे के सारे इसके चैम्बर्स देखेंगे। अब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैस स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर, इसका मतलब है, इसकी हम सबसे पहले हम डेफिनेशन देखते हैं। डेफिनेशन है, इट इज़ used to measure exact masses of isotopes in the element, right? अब इससे क्या पता चलता है कि इससे हम मेजर कर सकते हैं एग्जैक्ट मैसेज ऑफ आइसोटॉप्स। हाउ? दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन arises. Now we will discuss about steps. What are the steps? There are 4 main steps. It is very easy. First step, ionization. First step is vaporization और वोलेटिलाइजेशन। वोलेटाइल कर लेते हैं हम जो भी हमारे पास सैंपल होता है। सेकंड वन, आयोनाइजेशन। थर्ड वन, आयोनाइजेशन के बाद हम अप्लाई कर, इसे मैस टू चार्ज रेशो की बेस पे हम क्या कर लेते हैं, सेपरेट कर लेते हैं। फोर्थ वन, पीक्स रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, पीक्स रिकॉर्डिंग। Now that was steps. Okay, now we will go in process. Okay, what the process? First of all, vaporization. Now vaporize the sample by heating and many other methods. So after that we will convert vapors of element into ions. How we can convert that vapors into ions? Then by allowing fast moving electrons on the sample. That process will take place in ionization chamber. राइट। अगर आपको मेरी राइटिंग की समझ ना भी आए तो बेटा आप लोग जो है, क्योंकि मैं बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है, मुझे जल्दी में लिखना पड़ता है, मेरी राइटिंग इतनी ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव नहीं है, बट इंशाल्लाह यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड. So allowing fast moving electrons on the sample, ionization chamber, that's called ionization chamber. Now 2 steps are completed. Now we will also going to the separation on the basis of mass to charge ratio. Now we have positive ions, right? Positive ions. Now positive ions go into the electric field. There are in the mass spectrometer there are a grid, negative grid. Okay, negative grid. How? And that is also perforated. ठीक है, perforated mean सुराख वाली with holes. So electric field apply, potential will be potential will be about 500 to 2000 volts. 500 to 2000 volts will apply. Then what will be happen? The positive ions are moving toward negative grid. Okay, after that, the point is applying of magnetic field, right? What is magnetic field? Okay, what is happen about after magnetic field application? So after that, the positive ions or isotopes will make the way circular. They move in circular motion, and so they at the end they will be collect on the electrometer, right? Electrometer. Okay, what is electrometer? The electrometer is a device or a portion of a mass spectrometer where the falling of isotopes will be takes place and the current is generated, right? Yeah, or current is recorded. Current is recorded. So the different mass to charge ratio isotopes will have different positions. Okay, now this is whole the story. One thing is also important in vaporization step, which is the vapors pressure kept very low. How much? The 10 to raise power minus 6 to 10 to raise power minus 7, right? This is the whole story. I'll repeated it by drawing by try to draw the mass spectrometer, which is draw onto your book, first year book, FSC. So okay, now we suppose that neon gas enter in this. So here is heating filament, so it convert into vapors, right? Vapors, I only write it there V. Now here is entering fast moving electrons for the ionization, right? Now we have ions, and now here is a grid that is perforated, right? And here is also slits that the path, okay, that will be paths, okay, that are moving here. Now that will be here is negative grid. Now here are apply of magnetic field, right? Magnetic field, by applying the magnetic field, you know, the ions will be change their motion into circular, and they fall into different positions on the basis of mass to charge ratio. So these are three different isotopes. We will check in the abundance of isotopes, different isotopes. Now a collector or electrometer is here, electrometer. After that the peaks are also be fine, okay, also be recorded. Now what is the mathematical relationship in between the mass to charge ratio and magnetic field and electric field? So the mathematical expression I'll write there. The mathematical equation is mass to charge ratio is equal to h square r square over E. So this is the mass to charge ratio. This is not hydrogen, this is you know, this is, I'll write here, H donates, H designed for for, this is for electric field, right, and this is magnetic field, and R for रेडियस, राइट, ये दिस इज रेडियस. अब एक चीज़ जो है हम देखेंगे, बाय इंक्रीजिंग द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड the radius will also be increasing if we make constant about magnetic field. ओके अगर हम, इसका मतलब है कि अगर हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को कांस्टेंट रखें और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को बढ़ा दें तो उससे रेडियस पे चेंज आएगा. और रेडियस जो है, अगर फॉर एग्जांपल इसको ये इस तरह से मूव करा था तो रेडियस बढ़ जाएगा, ठीक है, और वो डिफरेंट, इनकी पोजीशन अब ये हैं तो इनकी पोजीशन जो है वो चेंज हो जाएंगी. एक और चीज़ है, इनमें एक मैस टू चार्ज रेशो, इनकी जो हम ग्राफ जो है वो ड्रा कर सकते हैं, वो करते हैं. उनमें दो चीज़ें हैं, ये है एक्स एक्सिस और ये है वाई एक्सिस, ठीक है. तो एक्स एक्सिस पे वो कहते हैं कि हम जो है मैस टू चार्ज रेशो जो है वो उसको रखेंगे, और यहाँ पे जो है वो अबंडेंस रखेंगे, अबंडेंस ऑफ आइसोटॉप्स, राइट, आइसोटॉप्स. सो that's all. Allah Hafiz. If you like my method of teaching, so please kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.